Hello, little adventurers. Welcome back to Animal Adventures. Today we're off to the magical forest to learn exciting new words. Ready to start our word hunt? Let's go. First up, giggle, Giggle, giggle. Look at the playful monkey giggling. Let's giggle together. Next, we have soar, S-O-A-R, soar. See the eagle soaring high in the sky? Let's stretch our arms and soar like eagles. Now, splash, S-P-L-A-S-H, splash. Watch the fish splashing in the pond. Let's pretend to splash water with our hands. Time for twinkle, T-W-I-N-K-L-E, twinkle. Look at the stars twinkling above. Can you twinkle your fingers like little stars? Let's discover cozy, C-O-Z-Y, cozy. The bunny looks so cozy in its burrow. Hug yourself for a cozy feeling. Here comes bounce, B-O-U-N-C-E, bounce. The kangaroo is bouncing around. Let's bounce on the spot like kangaroos. What about whisper, W-H-I-S-P-E-R, whisper. The wind whispers through the trees. Let's whisper hello to our friends. And glow, G-L-O-W, glow. Fireflies glow beautifully at night. Can you blink your eyes like glowing fireflies? You've learned amazing words. Let's say them again. Giggle, soar, splash, twinkle, cozy, bounce, whisper, glow. Now can you create a story or draw a picture using these words? Thank you, explorers, for joining our world adventure. Remember, every day is a chance to learn and have fun. Wave goodbye and don't forget to like and subscribe for more animal adventures. See you next time.